Be careful with the brush right there.
The CCCCP markings are almost gone.
Check the corrosion levels before the storm hits.
Setting the first marker. Watch the wind, it's picking up.
Begin excavation at grid reference B4. Confirmed. Moving in now. Maintain a 20-meter standoff.
All right, start clearing from the tail section first. Copy that. Moving in now. Watch the perimeter flags.
Based on the schematics, the cockpit section should be right here. The thermal scan shows heavy ice buildup here by the tail.
All right, Team 1 starts there. Move slowly.
Hold it right there.
Engaging impact wrench on section 3 now. Secure the frame.
Check the aft sling tension.
Aft sling secure, tension verified. Ready for lift.
Lift her up slow. Watch the sway. Keep the tension on those safe lines. Steady. All right, bring it down slow. 5 meters. Watch the tail, steady. Looks good, set it down gently.
Supports engaged. Check the forward mounts.
Forward mounts locked.
Final inspection complete. Ready for transport.
Supports locked. All green, ready for transport.
Beginning transport.
Secured to the trailer is the fuselage of a vintage Soviet aircraft, a relic of the Cold War salvaged from the ice.
Hold it right there. And stop. Brakes on. All right, hold her steady right there.
Watch clearance up.
Watch the clearance on the scaffolding. Lock that platform in place.
The corrosion on the starboard wing looks stable after the wash. Agreed. We need to focus on the fuselage rivets next. Check the stabilizers while you're up there.
Make sure you get the seams on the starboard. Copy that. Moving the lift up now.
How does that section look up there?
It's getting clearer, but still a lot of dirt lifting. Keep the foam coming. Running the borescope now. Significant corrosion in Sector 3.
Okay, I'm logging the data on the tablet. Copy that, stand clear below.
This coupling is seized. Pass me the torque wrench. All right, got it. Applying counter pressure now. Fuel lines are clear on my end. Guide the spreader bar in.
Hooks engaged on the left. Take the slack out slowly.
Take the tension, slow lift. Clearance check on the left. Clear left, clear right. Steady ascension.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Holding steady here, looks good.
Confirmed, coming up slowly.
All right, slowly to the left, watch the clearance.
Roger that. Bringing it down now. Steady.
Start disconnecting the auxiliary systems first. Worn bearings removed and replaced with restored components.
This harness looks good, but we need to replace this connector here. Okay, I've got the new wire segment. How are the stress tests holding up? Everything's green across the board. The rebuild was successful.
Hydraulic line 5 secured. Crossover fuel line clamp torqued to spec. Verified. Moving to the electrical harness connections now.
Applying the authentic Soviet-era markings requires precision stencils. The red star insignia and the tail numbers must be historically accurate.
Make sure the edges on that star insignia are perfectly clean. Copy that.
Moving to the tail markings next. Applying torque now.
All clear.
Sequence complete. Bolts loosened. Powering down hydraulics.
Torque engaged. Bolts loosened. All right, initiating controlled descent. Keep it steady. Steady descent confirmed. Clearance nominal.
All right, bring it forward. Watch the brake assembly. Holding steady. Impact wrench ready.
Jacks retracting. Monitoring compression on strut 3. Weight transfer looks good. Structural integrity confirmed.
Looks good from here. Suspension checks out. Well, all clear on this side. Ready to sign off.
Hold the speed steady, we're clearing the threshold. Affirmative, wash looks clear on the left side.
Watch the starboard wing clearance. Clear, keep it steady.